Hello everybody, welcome back to Math Monsters, and in today's video you will learn how to divide decimals. Let's begin. So this is how to divide decimals. So you just divide decimals just as if you would divide whole numbers, which is just normal division, and you just keep moving the decimal places to the right to make them whole numbers. And then, when you find the quotient, you move the decimal place to the left just as many times you move them to the right. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so here's example number 1. 0.345 divided by 0.2. Okay, so to make these whole numbers, you need to shift the decimal place to the right. So let's say 0.345. You need to shift the decimal place to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then it becomes 345, which is a whole number. Okay, so we shifted that 3 times for it to become a whole number. Let's look at 0.2. We just need to shift the decimal by 1 place so that it becomes a 2, which is also a whole number. So in total, we shifted 4 times. So that means when we're done figuring out the answer, we need to shift the decimal place back to the left 4 times. So how to solve this problem? Now that we pretended that these are whole numbers, 345 divided by 2, let's see. So 345 can't be equally divided into 2. So 3,000, but if you add another 0, 3,450 divided by 2, that would work. So that does equally divide by 2. So 3,450. And to do that, we shifted the decimal point another place to the right. So in total, we shifted 5 times now. So when we figure out the answer, we need to shift it back to the left 5 times. Okay, so 3,450 divided by 2. So if you do all the work on paper and then shift the decimal place back to the left 5 times, then this is the answer you would have got. So 3,450 divided by 2 is 1,575, and then I shifted it back 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now the answer I got is 0.01575. Okay, so that is the answer for example 1. Now let's go to the next problem. Example 2. 0.462 divided by 0.6. Okay, so to make the 0.462 a whole number, you shift it to the right 3 times. And to make 0.6 a whole number, you need to shift it to the right 1 time. So in total, we shift it to the right 4 times. And now if we just do the normal division, 462 divided by 6. You guys can do this on paper, just like you normally divide any number. So 6 goes into 46 7 times, and then there's a remainder of 4, and then you bring the 2 down, so that's 42, and 6 goes into 42 7 times. So the answer is 77 for 462 divided by 6, and then you have to remember to bring the decimal point to the left again 4 times. So 77, if you shift it to the left 4 times, then you would have got 0.0077. Okay, so this is the answer for the second question. Here we come to the last question. Okay, so example 3. 0.567 divided by 4. 0.4. Okay, so when you so you need to shift the 0.567 in 3 times to make it a whole number. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for the 0.4, you need to shift it 1 time. So in total, we shift it 4 times again. Okay, now let's start dividing the normal way. 567 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time, and you get a remainder 1. And you bring the 6 down, it's a 16, and 4 goes into 16 4 times, so it's a 4. But then you get a 7. And then 4 doesn't go equally into 7. There's a remainder of 3. So then what you need to do is add another 0 onto the 567. So that becomes a 5,607. Sorry, 5,670. So now if we divide, we get 1, 4, 1, and then there's a remainder 30. So 4 goes into 30 7 times, and then there's still a remainder of 2. So what you need to do is add another 0 to make the 2 a 20. And then 4 goes into 20 5 times. So we finally got a quotient without a remainder. So this is the answer, 141.75. And then we need to shift it to the right 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we did that, I got an answer of 0.014175. I hope this video was useful for you, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. Feel free to ask me. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!